right, what's going on, folks, and welcome to a new episode of Game Server. And we're going to be looking at a supposed game that's been working on Steam Deck, and that game is Apex Legends. Now, for some people, this game doesn't matter. This is, it's another battle royale game. But for a lot of gamers, it matters. Personally, for me, I could care less if this worked on Linux or not, but I'm more of a Splitgate guy. That's just my genre of gaming. However, with these games mattering as much as they do for people, these coming to desktop Linux because of the Steam Deck will help tremendously the overall ecosystem, which is something that is always a good thing. And it will make companies start actually supporting the platform. And this particular machine is running Garuda Linux. So it's an Arch-based system. But the reason this is all started to take off, now this is unofficial, but if you're going by the Steam DB page, these things right here matter. EAC runtime, Destination OS, Linux. That matters. Now there's been gameplay of people playing Apex, etc. on the Steam Deck. But what about just desktop Linux? And that's really what matters. So I have Apex installed, and I'm going to hit the giant play button to see how well this plays. Now, I've already done the pre-shader caching and all the other stuff because from what I've read, there has been some issues with that. So I wanted to make sure that was completely gone. So as you can tell, I do have GoRelay or Mango HUD, whatever you want to call it, going, and you get all my system information right there. Do you know you want to be running Proton Experimental because that has more of the EAC stuff involved? Close. We'll just do the training. Close. Ready. So you can see it's doing some heavy work on the GPU, but now this is just the training stuff, but the fact that this is even running, whereas before it would have booted you out. That says a lot. So yeah, this is Apex running on Linux. So if you wanted to know if it's plausible, possible, etc., it very much is. So just a quick show that this is totally possible, and this is because of things like the Steam Deck, and that stuff matters. This might not matter to me, but this matters to a lot of people, and the things that matter for people being on our platform should matter to us. So I'm hoping that there's an official announcement with this, either from Valve or from even EA. But it is definitely cool to see. So just a quick actual show of, yeah, it works. So props to EA for once for not being a total Scrooge like Bungie in Destiny 2. So I will catch you guys on the next episode. Make sure you comment, rate, subscribe, like the video, share them, all that fun stuff, because it really helps out the channel. And I will catch you guys on the next episode of GameSphere. This episode of GameSphere is brought to you by Bitwarden. One thing we can do to protect ourselves is having a unique password for every online account we have. I've been using Bitwarden for a while now to do just that. And not only helps me keep track of my many passwords I now have. It includes a random password generator, and you can set the length of special characters and so much more. Better yet, it's 100% open source, receives third-party security auditing, and you can get started for free by going to bitwarden.com/DLN. Want some of their premium features like 1 gigabyte of file storage, Vault Health reports, or just to support the project? It starts at only $10 a year. Jump over to bitwarden.com/DLN to get started with your free account now.